Hi, I'm Caleb from Mission Ridge. I'm one of the gunsmiths here, and today we're going to go over how to clean and protect your investments you've made. So recently, a lot of people have been buying brand new guns from us, and a lot of the big ones have been ARs. And so when you get your new AR, you just need to figure out, what am I going to do with it? How am I going to clean it after I shoot it? So we're going to go over the disassembly of an AR-15 real quick. So from the back side, you can see that we have two pins, one here and one here. Those are going to be the two you press to open up the AR. Before you do anything though, as with any gun, you're going to clear and make sure it's safe. So open the bolt up so you can see, lock it to the back with a bolt lock right here. When it's to the back, you can look down into the chamber and make sure that everything's clear for us, and then even use your finger if you need to confirm that it's clear. Once you have your gun cleared, you're going to release your bolt, let it slide back to the front. Once you do that, once you turn it over here, and there's two pins here. Now, on these, as you can see, like this one's a little stiff and it's harder to do with my finger. If it is, you may need to use a punch. I would recommend using something like a nylon or a plastic punch and not using something metal that could mar the metal. Once you have it out and tapped a little bit, you should be able to reach around to the front and pull them up. Once you have both up, you'll notice that the lower is going to separate from the upper. On the lower, you have your trigger group, your bolt catch, and everything else, and you're just going to set that aside for now, and you're going to continue with the upper. Your charging handle right here, you're going to pull it back just a little bit like this, and you'll be able to pull your bolt straight out of there. Now your bolt has got the key. It should be lined up like this, and on disassembly, you're just going to make sure that it's forward in a locked position. Set that aside, and then when you get to this part, as you pull it out, you'll notice it won't come out straight. So if you look down in there, there's some holes that are going to line up with these notches that are on a charging handle when you take it out. So once you have that out, you have your AR disassembled into where you need it. So on the cleaning points, first thing we're going to do is start with the upper receiver and our barrel. This right here is our bore snake, and our bore snake is going to be able to go down into the barrel, drop through here on this little weighted through the front, and you're just going to pull the whole thing through. As you pull it through, it's going to go through there, wipe everything out. It's going to hit these right here, which are little cleaning brushes, and then pull through on the wipe on the way in. And that's going to effectively clean your barrel where you need it. When you're using the bore snake, make sure you use a cleaner base system like this. Make sure that you get everything out of there, followed by some oil as you go through. Once you've done that, you can set the upper aside, and you're going to concentrate on the bolt. The main points are going to be where the bullet actually interfaces, the casing actually interfaces, I say, with the bolt. So make sure this is clean. Use a brush, like you can get on a cleaning kit like this, where you can get all of those cleaning supplies and everything in one go. But just take a brush like that and make sure you give it a good scrub. And then you're also going to want to get all of these areas right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all cleaned up. Those are going to be your major points where the metal's actually going to touch other metal. Once you have that done, and this is all cleaned up, on the lower part, just take a brush and knock off anything that might be in the trigger area, and then put 1 drop of oil down on the springs. Take this, and you're going to put a little oil right here, and just use your fingers or whatever you want to go like that. And then I just want to take a drop and rub it across all the 5 surfaces I talked about, here, here, and here. They're going to allow you to have an easy running bolt through that. And then you're going to start your reassembly. It's just going to be like when we took it apart. You're going to notice those 2 notches that are right here on our charging handle, and inside here, as you slide it in the top, it's going to go down into a slot. Once it's down in that slot, you'll notice that it goes free back and forth and has a stop point. So pull it out to the stop point, then you're going to take your bolt, and you're going to take this, it's called the gas key. That's going to ride down inside here like that, and when it's all together, it'll slide down. You'll notice this one's not sliding down because the key is not all the way forward. So make sure that your key is pushed up in the forward position like this. If it's pushed to the back, it's not going to go together again. So make sure that you have your key all the way to the forward position like that. Then just pull it up, and then when you drop it in, it'll all slide in together nicely. So once you have your upper assembled like this, with your bolt and your charging handle and everything in, you're just going to take your gun. Remember the pins that we had before that we popped out? Make sure those are out. Turn it, set those pins back onto the corresponding spots on the upper. and push. Once it's pushed in, you'll notice that you are fully back and reassembled, and that your bolt stay locked open when you use your bolt lock open. Then just drop it down, and you are ready to go again for the next time you come out shooting with us. Once again, this is Caleb Robinson with Mission Ridge Range and Academy, hoping you all have a great day.